Quarter turn right. Face of the back. Quarter turn right. Front post. Number 19 and number 7 switch. Quarter turn right. Face of the back. Quarter turn right. Face front. Number 16. This one, 34 switch.
Woo! Let's go. Nice one. Nice. Ganyan.
Number. Can I see the number, please? Number 34 on this switch. Quarter turn right. Face of the back. Relax.
Nauna kasi siya, no? Kaya napapagod. Hindi, kailangan ni hold eh. Cross! Nice!
Face of the quarter turn right.
Nice one, leader na siya man. Secure na, top 3. Secure. Nice one.
Face of the front.
Hold.
Number 11 and 7 switch.
Nice one, kuya. Laki nito po. Laki nga eh. Ano ata mag-ano sa kanila eh. Green! Pasok balik ito, Green! Go! Hold core. Kaya nga. Hold core mo!
Number 19 and number 12 switch.
Ito para sa akin, ito sa akin. 19, pasok na yan. Itong 12, ito silang apat lang naman magkatalunan dyan eh.
Number 12 and number 19 switch.
Look! Bagong isip. Ano nahihirapan?
34 and 12 switch.
Nice one. Braille, piga.
Gusto mo? Hold. Hold. Sige, paga pa. Paga.
Nice one. Tingin sa judge.
Smile. Sige.
Okay. Okay, gentlemen, thank you.
Yun!
And the heat is on. That's it.
Quarter turn right. Face of the front. Thank you.
Okay.
To the right. Now, right. You're right. Yeah. Okay, show us your back. And again, quarter turn to the right. Face front. Okay, athletes, get ready. Front double biceps. Now. Relax. Front lat spread. Now. Relax. Choose your best side. Side chest pose. Now. Relax. Side triceps pose. Now. Relax. Show us your back. Back double biceps. Now. Relax. Back lat spread. Now. Relax. Face front. Abdominals and thighs. Now. And relax. Most muscular pose. Now. And reposing.
Music, please.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working, never stop.
Number 1 and 8. Switch. Okay, front post. Quarter turn right. Face at the back. Quarter turn right. Face front. Okay, thank you.
Okay, that's it for our comparison. Again, this is for our bodybuilding.
Number 26 switch. Number 20 and 16 switch. Number 5 and number 21 switch. And then number 20 and number 21 switch. Okay. Quarter turn right. Face of the back.
Lutin mo! Dapat.
Okay, quarter turn right.
Pero malapit yung takbo.
Front pose. I'm going to comparison number 25 and number 26 and 16.
Basta kayo tatlo.
Front pose. Quarter turn right.
Abs, Coach Tor.
Face of the back.
Tor, abs. Oo, doon lang siya tinala. Rakor lang.
Quarter turn right.
Dapat yung access mo. Access na.
Face of the front. Okay. Thank you, gentlemen.
Yun yung dapat.
Okay, once again.
Number 7 and number 22 switch.
Bok, buga!
Face of the quarter turn right.
Abs, Tor! Abs! Okay na yan.
Face of the back.
Bok, likod! Braille, buka! Bok, atras! Atras, Bok! Angat, angat! Tama yan!
Quarter turn right.
Goods na yan, hold na!
Race run.
Yan, okay na yan, Bok.
Number 12 and number 26 switch.
Nice one.
Quarter turn right.
Tor, abs. Angat, angat.
Bok pa, Bok. Yan, okay na yan.
Coach Mark, angat.
Yan. Okay na yan.
Quarter turn right.
Nice one.
Hold na yan, Bok. Okay na yan.
Braille, abs.
Race front.
Abs, Bok. Yan.
Nice one. Hold, hold.
Oy, atras lang mo. Sir, atras.
Quarter turn right.
Okay na yan, Bok.
Abs, abs.
Race at the back.
Angat, Coach Mark.
Yan, hold the ball.
Puta, si Bok ang may pin.
Coach Mark, angat.
Quarter turn right.
Bok, relax lang.
Tor, abs.
Hold, Bok.
Nice
Hold lang,
one.
Bok.
Quarter turn right.
Pampagaon eh.
Jeez. Piga. Abs, abs.
Number 1 and number 8 switch.
Nice one. Let's go, Coach Mark. Piga.
Crunch, Bok. Bok, reset na. Hold. Yan.
Braille, reset. Nice one.
Hold lang.
Okay, gentlemen, thank you.
And there you have it for our Bicol X.
Okay. All of you, please come forward.
Bok. Yun na yan.
Number 1 and number 33 switch. Number 19 and number 1 switch. Quarter turn right.
Okay. Okay na yan, okay.
Nice one.
Face at the back.
Huwag mo igigilid si Bok. Sendan mo ko mga video, boy. Sige, video. Bok, atras ki dit lang.
Nice, Bok! I love you!
Bok, atras dit lang.
Atras, Bok! Piga! Piga! Piga!
Face front. Number 1 and number 2. Switch.
Bok! Bok!
Bok, kayang-kaya mo yun, Bok, oh.
Crunch dit, Bok. Yan. Hold na yan.
Quarter turn right.
Bok, pasira
Hold
ni
na yan,
Bok!
Bok. Hold na yan.
Abs, abs! Nice one!
Face at the back.
Yan, Bok!
Okay na yan, Bok.
Relax, relax.
Atras ki dit. Yan, goods na yan.
Adjust, Coach Mark! Adjust! Nice one!
Nice one, Bok.
Quarter turn right.
Coach Tor,
Hold
adjust!
na yan. Hold, hold.
Tor, adjust!
Hold lang, Bok. Hold lang.
Quarter turn right.
Go, Bok!
Yan, okay na yan, Bok. Crunch dit.
Tor, adjust!
Crunch dit lang. Yan. Hold na yan, hold.
Hold, Bryle!
Number 17 and number 26 switch.
Nice one. Tor, abs!
Bok, crunch dit. Crunch dit, Bok. Yan, hold na yan.
Tor, maintain! Bryle, abs! Nice one.
Quarter turn right.
Atras dit. Yan.
Tor, angat!
Madiklo mo na kayo, Bok.
Abs, abs! Nice one.
Ayo.
Piga, piga!
Face at the back.
Coach
Bok,
Mark!
okay na magliyad ki, grabe.
Coach Mark, adjust!
Sakto lang. Okay na yan.
Coach Mark, adjust! Bok, okay na,
Okay na yan. Dahil magilid, Bok.
Tor,
Day
adjust,
magilig.
Tor! Tor, adjust! Day magtago! Nice bok, nice bok!
Quarter turn right.
Pura nang igigilid ba?
Matiglo mo na kayo doon. Yan, bok, yan! Coach Mark, abs! Ryle, abs!
Yan, hold mo yan, Bok. Siratos mo.
Tor, abs!
Okay. Face front.
Crunch dit. Yan.
Hold, hold!
Abs, Bok. Abs. Yan.
Ryle, abs!
Okay guys, thank you.
Okay, thank you athletes again. That's for
Number 22 and number 22 and number 30 switch. Number 28 and number 29 switch. Number 28 and number 33 switch. Number 22 and number 31 switch. 31 and 30. Front toss. Quarter turn right. Face at the back. Quarter turn right. Turn left. Front cross. Okay, let's move to the mandatory pose for bodybuilding. Front double bicep.
And we request an upbeat music for our bodybuilding category, please.
Okay, relax. Front last, front last, left front up. Front last, front pose. Okay, relax. Side chest. Okay, breathe.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.